It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. So as you can see, I am painting this heart using the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color Cashew. Now, the Waverly brand chalk paint can be found at most of the Walmart stores, and so this is my preferred paint when I am painting my projects. And as you can see, I am using my heating tool that I purchased from Amazon to dry the paint. This is one thing that every crafter need in their crafting toolbox so that it can cut down on your drying time. And so now you see that I've flipped this piece over, and now I am removing that sticker. Now I know I should have taken off those gloves, but I was just like, I don't feel like putting them back on when I have to paint this side. So I just left it on and just worked around, the sticker with these gloves on. So anyway, it worked out, and now you see that I am just sanding off the extra glue and making sure that all of the sticker was removed, and again just sanding it, making it a soft surface or a smooth surface, and then applying some more of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color Cashew. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers back to the channel. I do only have one DIY for you tonight, and this is a Shabby Chic heart decor. I think this is going to turn out really cute, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So guys, do you have any plans for this weekend? I hear that North Carolina, more specifically the Raleigh-Durham area, is supposed to be getting some snow on Friday. So I have my fingers crossed because I want some snow, guys. I really, really do. I think I am one of the only people in North Carolina that want snow. Other people does not, but I want some snow, guys. But anyway, as you can see, I am taking some of that ribbon that I purchased. I think it came from Dollar General. I'm not sure. I have to look at it again. And I am going to just put a strip across the heart, and I am just using some hot glue to secure it to the heart shape. And no rhyme or reason as far as the length. I mean, you just want the ribbon to secure, right across the heart. If you're going to recreate this, you do not want it to be short. And so now I'm taking some of that beautiful lace ribbon that you can find also at the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to apply a piece to the top border of the ribbon just to clean up the edges of it, and then the bottom border. And this is such a quick and simple project, yet it is very, very cute, and I cannot wait for you guys to see how it looks in the reveal. And again, I'm just measuring out the length I need by placing the ribbon down at the top and then again at the bottom to the length of the red ribbon. So guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And so you see I have this love sign or love word. I'm thinking that this word came from Walmart. And so all you need to do is, if you want to recreate this exactly, just leave it in its natural state, glue it down on the red ribbon in the center, and that is going to be it as far as the embellishment for the heart. And then now I am getting ready to string some beads onto the jute twine rope that's going to be, or the jute twine that's going to be used as the hanging piece for this decor piece. And I just used some masking tape to put at the bottom of the rope so that I can thread it through. If you want to use a needle, you can do that. That'll work as well. But guys, again, I just want to remind you that if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And so as you can see, I have used some of these beads that I purchased from Amazon. And I got a lot of them, different sizes. And I think it was over 1,500 beads for like $13. It may have been a little less than that, but it's been a while. Excuse me, it's been a while since I purchased them, so forgive me if I don't quote the right price. And then I'm just trying to see how I can make a cute little beaded design for the hanger, and making sure that the ribbon is secure in the back so that it will not come apart. And guys, we're now headed into the reveal. I think this turned out super cute, and I hope that you all have enjoyed watching me as I put this together. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this piece. And until the next DIY, guys, I pray that you all have a blessed night. And until the next DIY, bye for now.